the police headquarters. Nice. Oh, police here. It's a nice building, isn't it? Price for the one that's there, 53.50.
Pero me veré muy gorda.
The art shop. The tiny dresses, tiny dresses. Yeah, you will do with the sun. Deflects the sun, doesn't it? Ollie! So yeah. Orange, not EE. Oh, here we go. This is what we've been missing, haven't we? Yeah.
Hola.
Hola. So we're looking for a phone holder for the car.
Español?
No. Ada. Angle.
Let me do Google Translate.
Trying to think. See, if we had this back in England, it'd just get ruined. Gets wrecked, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like, yeah?
Here.
I know. Well, just get, if we had this back in England, it'd just be wrecked. Oh, this mini park. It's cute. Look at that guy. Frodo Baggins.
Yeah.
With his dick out. Look at his dick.
Oh my god, he has. He's got his willy out.
Long out.
Oh my god.
Go on, you big fella.
What big feet, big dick.
Big feet, big dicker. This is going on about how big his dick grew over the years, I reckon.
No,
Is it not?
no, it's according to tradition, there's a rather ugly little being which nonetheless is capable of carrying out any job it's been given quickly and properly. Go over 3 hours.
Is it?
Do that today.
Yeah, let's do it.
We're here early enough.
See everything. See everything. Ah, it's my soul. Which way are you going? Jesus, people just walk into you.
I'm just walking.
There you are, there's the prices there.
Yeah? Oh, you can go to different places.
Yeah.
You can go to Cala, Cala, Ibiza town.
That's direct. I'll see you there, boo.
What?
Yeah.
Keeping hold of this ticket because that's our return.
Yeah, you need that, won't you?
Yeah.
Yes? un po' fondi. No, ma també el que dius tu és que la mà va molt fàcil. Ibiza. Even though we'll probably go there in the car, we'll go get the boat over there. Lovely. How much did it cost us for the two of us? £48. Increase money. And that's return. You come back whenever you want. As long as it's on the boat schedule. Cala, where we stayed last year. We did the bench on the side here. We wrote our names on in case we ever come back to the place. Here we are. Here we are. So yeah, we're just coming into Cala now. This is where we stayed last year. We marked a bench on the right here with our names on. In case we ever come back to the place, and we have. Just so we can see the bench. Yeah, we'll do that. I like this little. Yeah, I like the little strip here. It's nice.
Aquestes paraules es diuen passar feina, llavors a l'escola no t'ensenya. Això llavors sents quan estàs en la obra, que diu. En la obra te piden el nivel de bola, aquell, ¿no? Pueden ir a buscar, tiene una caixa plena de pedres, llévala al quinto y luego del quinto la bajas al primero. Traes una caixa de pedres. Són màquines per la capa. Fills de puta, sí, algo així, és màquina per... Attention, please.
that one. Welcome to Ibiza Old Town. It's beautiful. The sun is out over this side as well. Yeah. That's pirate boat. Marco Polo, Ibiza. I'm guessing you can take trips out on that. Plane coming in. Ryanair, I think. A marketplace down here or something. We'll go this way. Yeah, look.
Italia, por favore.
Oh, croceta.
Money, go shopping.
A las 13:03.
Where do you want to go?
Mi hermano igual era un tiempo.
Isn't it? It probably will be. But yeah, let's go and get.
4-minute walk from here.
Let's do it.
Hello again. Hello.
Oh, Jesus loves you.
Raga, che discutiamo sulla Bougainville. Secondo te? Andiamo?
What's that up there? Spanish Burger King.
Wait, I'm gonna die here.
We're not.
Brilliant.
So we spotted a Burger King, that's where we're going.
We are.
Spanish Burger King in Ibiza.
España.
We love a Burger King, don't we,
There's
Boo?
McDonald's right there.
There we go, McDonald's right there.
You were
I knew,
right.
knew your maps would take us the opposite way.
Well, my maps are a bit better.
No, we found something better.